guys, welcome back to my channel. So as you can see in my thumbnail today, and I have some, oh my god, Urbanic haul. Okay, I'll open with you guys. So here my Urbanic. Here I have some summer clothes and winter, because Urbanic has taken long time, like take 50 to 20 days, so I have to go Nagaland, so that's why I ordered some summer clothes as well and winter as well. I ordered the same day, but this I got very fast. I only opened, it's not yet open, so let me keep this on side. Okay, this is Simplicity 4 cup. So I ordered in gray. Let's see, I'm very excited. I ordered in medium size, so let's see how it works more. In Nagaland, these are perfect for me. It's very hot, you can see it. It's very fair, It's like a bottom. It's like closer, so I ordered in purple. Or this is the one size. So this one I got. This is I think for summer. Oh, I think it will be big. Maybe I will return. It is pretty, okay. But let's see. Yes, this is in this kit. Again, top one size only. Everything price I'll put in the screen, you can check it out. Okay, this is only one size. I think for me it will be, I think, little small, but stretchable. Then the quality wise is good. It's a cross pullover t-shirt. It's also one shirt, one size, so I'll order. Another zipper jacket I ordered in medium size. I ordered in coffee color. Here in purple. This is also in one size. Okay. This is purple color. Oh, this I really love. I like it, but it's also not different. T-shirt. It's also in one size only. Oh, is it nice? Okay, this is also nice. Simplicity pullover, sweater only. I ordered in black. This is also one size. I really love the color. Nice. I don't like it. This I ordered in large size. So this also nice. It's like that. Open, you have to, I think this will not return from this, but I think this is not return. This is perfect for me. Okay, if you want to buy, I will just link on the screen and check it out. You can see the price. Size little. No, this is Oh my god. Background is messy. Sorry for that. I should be the camera, but the camera switch got switch off. So it is also not getting